It gets to probably the summer and I'm like, oh, I must get beach body ready. I never am. So it's always on the holiday beforehand, a quick dash to get fit and feel a bit better in your bikini, but never been 100% there. I want to feel more energised. I want to feel fitter in myself and feel a bit more toned. You give me love, but you've been faking it this time. I'm better, not gonna wait around. I have lost 10 pounds in the last 6 weeks, including 3 inches from around my waist, which is absolutely amazing. I've lost 5 pounds, I've lost 2.5 inches around my waist, and 25% body fat. I definitely feel much slimmer, my belly doesn't feel as bloated, I'm much more confident wearing bodycon dresses than I was 6 weeks ago. I feel like doing this every morning I'm seeing the difference actually in the mirror, thinking, oh my god, I'm seeing more of my shoulders, seeing more of my stomach muscles, and yeah, I feel like it's made me feel a lot more confident in myself. Who wouldn't want to wake up and dance every morning? I literally love it, I just think it's good, it gets you shaking around. During the dancing, you just feel so happy, so good, you don't feel like you're doing a workout. And it just becomes an absolute habit. Like I now can't, I feel like there's something missing in my day if I haven't done it. Once you was into the habit of it, within a few days it's second nature. I'd recommend the 7-minute workouts for someone like me who has to work 9 to 5 every day and doesn't have plenty of time to go to the gym. 7 minutes in the morning, it's really quick, really easy. I struggle on time, my schedule's all over the place, but to wake up and 7 minutes in the morning, like, it's so easy. I actually cancelled my gym membership. And I feel so much better for it because I'm like, I don't have to, it takes too much of my day, so this is perfect for me. I'm far more focused at work following these workouts. I wake up and I'm already awake when I get to work rather than pressing the alarm again and again and again. So much happier every day, going to work with a big smile on my face. Doing the workouts in the morning helps my focus a lot throughout the day, and it gives me a lot more energy.